Okay. This is the Factory 2. I think it's a new one. Okay, everybody is about to be sent into the marble conditioner. We got Jeff Vredes again and Annie out on the conveyor belt first. We got Jeff pulling out front here, followed closely by Annie. Gonna land in the package first. Nice. We are the sound. Alex is on fire. Alexis on fire. Alex is on fire. I don't even know. We've listened to that band before, right? All right. We are checking out Alexis on fire. Alexis on fire. The track is We Are the Sound. This was requested by Jeff. Let's give it a listen. We're gonna get it right one of these days. Jesus. It's pretty freaking loud. Oh, we got some two-steppy action going. That's a nice cadence. Oh, I like that. That's some big screams. These cleans are really cool. Pretty unique voice. Ooh. The instrumental is pretty simple. I like the simplicity of it. At least it seems that way. Ooh, getting that bass a little stronger here. Oh, that's cool. That's cool. Big chant. Yeah, Rise Against. Not that familiar, but I've heard of them. Drummer is killing it. It's kind of feel good. Why does it remind me a little bit of like... Am I thinking of Sum 41? I don't know. It's reminding me of a band from that era that I probably listened to. Maybe not Sum 41. Maybe A Day to Remember. I don't freaking know. It had like all of the vibes that I remember from when I listened to music like that. Dog Spotted. What the heck? I really like that though. Both of the vocalists pretty unique voices. The cleans were really nice. The uncleans were really nice. The instrumental was kind of like simple, which I really liked. Sometimes there is a lot of really good to be said about simplicity. Drummer was driving that groove though, man. That sort of like little two-steppy action going on. Really driving that nice sort of cadence that I loved. Super easy to kind of move with. Nothing like overly crazy. It was just really, I don't know. It's one of those songs that's kind of like nostalgic for some no apparent reason. Like, no apparent reason. I don't know why. What is up, YouTube? If you want a chance to win a live song request, then be here on Sundays at 5 p.m. Eastern. We're streaming marbles on stream. You'll get a marble. It'll run the obstacle course, and if you're lucky enough to win, you'll get a song request of your choice. It is a blast, guys. So many people show up. I've discovered so many new bands doing this. It's just something fun, different than the day-to-day stuff on the channel. There'll be links down below to the Discord where you can join, find out how to enter the races. We're always in there chatting, memeing, talking anything about music. It is so freaking fun, guys. So I will see you there. And as always, if you're still here, if you're still watching, thank you so much. And I will see you on the next one.